Hey there! Now that you've got a solid understanding of serverless computing, let's explore where it really shines. In this lesson, we'll look at real-world scenarios where serverless makes life easier and why it's become a favorite choice for teams building modern cloud applications. Ready? Let's jump in. Web and mobile backends. Let's say you're building a web or mobile app. You'll probably need a backend for things like user login, storing data, or running some business logic. With serverless, here's what that could look like. API Gateway handles incoming HTTP requests. AWS Lambda runs your backend logic. DynamoDB or S3 stores your user data or uploaded files. And the best part, you don't manage any servers. AWS does it for you. Simple, scalable, clean. Real-time file or data processing. Maybe your users are uploading images or you're receiving live data streams. With serverless, this becomes seamless. 1. A file gets uploaded to S3. 2. That triggers a Lambda function. 3. Lambda resizes the image, stores it, and maybe sends out a notification. Perfect for things like image processing, log analysis, and even audio transcription, all in real time. Scheduled or automated tasks. Need to run tasks on a schedule, like a nightly cleanup or hourly database check? You can use EventBridge or CloudWatch events to schedule Lambda functions, just like cron jobs, but fully managed in serverless. Set it and forget it. Chatbots and voice interfaces, building a chatbot or maybe an Alexa skill. Each user message or voice command can trigger a Lambda function. It processes the input and sends a quick response, scalable, lightweight, and fast. IoT backends. For Internet of Things, IoT applications, serverless is a natural fit. Here's how it works. IoT Core receives data from your devices. Lambda processes the data on the fly. You store it in a database or send out real-time alerts. Whether it's 10 devices or 10,000, it scales automatically. Microservices and event-driven apps. Want to break your app into smaller modular services? Serverless supports that too. Each Lambda function can focus on one task, like updating a record or sending a notification. This makes your architecture easier to maintain, test, and deploy independently. Key benefits of serverless applications. Now that we've seen the use cases, let's talk about why teams love serverless. No server management, no provisioning or patching. AWS handles it all. Automatic scaling. Whether it's one user or a million, your app adjusts instantly. Cost efficiency. You only pay when your code runs. No idle time or no wasted money. Faster time to market. Focus on code, not infrastructure. Ship features quicker. High availability. Services like Lambda and DynamoDB are highly available by design. Event-driven by nature. Perfect for apps that react to things, file uploads, logins, form submissions, and more. Recap. So let's recap. Serverless is a great choice for modern apps, especially when you need to move fast, scale easily, and avoid managing infrastructure. From web backends to automation to real-time data processing, serverless opens up new possibilities without the usual headaches. And in our next lesson, we'll take this further by diving into API Gateway and how it integrates with Lambda to power your serverless applications. Thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you in the next one.